When we are living in the fast paced world, why stillness matters? Do we have the time to sit still even for 5 minutes in a day? And do we really need it? Because we are lacking so much of time. Hi, I am Minal Dalal. I am founder of Adhyan and I am Human Potential Advocate. We are here with the series Master Shifts. And in Master Shift, we are trying to elevate our lives from one level to another level. So, what is Master Shift? Master Shifts is 9 simple disciplines, 9 universal disciplines, which together, when you inculcate in your life has no option but to grow, but to elevate from where you are, how you are, and whatever you are doing. Last episode, we saw the first discipline, which was know your inner distortions and rise above them. So, as I said earlier, master shifts work in 3 dimensions for you. First is inner regulations, second is embodiments, and third is expansion. When you regulate your inner self, when you embody certain things in your life, and when you expand your vision with simple disciplines, with simple consistency, your life has no option than to rise, no option than to grow. So, the second discipline which we are talking about today is stillness. Again, this is a part of inner regulations and stillness. When we think of stillness, we think of sitting at some place doing nothing or maybe inactivity. And that is why we feel why we need stillness when so much to do, so much to accomplish, so much to achieve in life. How can we even sit still for 5 minutes? So, first of all, stillness is not the absence of activity. You can be still even when you are doing something. You can be still even while you are in the chores of your life. So, what does stillness mean? Stillness means lack of frictions inside, within you, in your inner state. When you choose to be still for a while, not let the inner conflicts to come in your mind. This is the time when you are still. This is the time when you allow your inner state to settle down. We are living in a life which is full of chaos. Maybe we can say as a dust particles. If there are dust particles inside the water, inside the river, on the layer, you see distorted images. So if you want to see clear image, you have to allow that water to settle down so that all those dust particles they go beneath and you can see the clear image because the water is now clear, because the river is now fully clear and you can see the clearer picture. Same applies to our inner self. When we allow our inner state, to be still, to be settled, to be out of conflicts, it is the time when we allow our inner self to speak to us. What it wants, what is his path, what is it that requires change. All of this we can only come to know when we are still. So, stillness is not absence of activity, stillness is absence of inner conflicts. Now, why are we giving so much emphasis to our inner state? Because it is at the source of everything we do in life. Whether we notice it, whether we don't notice it, anything and everything that happens to us and that we are doing in the outer world is based in our inner state. We are receiving returns in straight proportion to the maturity of our inner state. The more matured our inner state, we need less actions and we get more returns. Who would not want that? Having to work less and still receiving more. This is what we live for, right? So, if that is there, you have to allow your inner state to settle down, to be still. You can choose 3-4 times in a day just for 5 minutes. Conscious lack of conflicts inside of you. You will ignore, even if there are some conflict going on at that moment, you choose not to get disturbed by that conflict, by that distortions. Whatever is happening inside, you consciously choose to not let it influence your decisions, your choices, your any expression in the life. This is what stillness means. Clarity emerges in stillness. If you cannot keep yourself still even for a while, you will notice your life is led by chaos, confusions, or just a shallow expression. You will do things, but you will not have control over that. You will do things, but you will not know what are you doing it for. There will be constant chaos, constant confusions, constant stress if you don't allow yourself to be still. This stillness is yourself. It's your nature. It's you. It's just that you have to give it a chance. And how can we do this? In a day, consciously choose 3 times or 4 times in a day, just 5 minutes of stillness. Very consciously. You can do your work at the same time, or you can choose to sit still as well, not to do anything. That's a choice. But consciously, those 5 minutes, you will not give any importance to whatever conflicts, whatever contradictions, whatever is going on inside of you. This is what stillness is all about. And yes, stillness is not to be practiced. Stillness is to be awakened, to be remembered, because that's our nature. And you will notice your emotional adulthood. You will notice matured expression. You will notice silencing your mind. You will notice less stress, less chaos, less confusion if you are practicing stillness. So, this was the second discipline. Next discipline we'll see in the next episode. Just to remind again, Master Shift is in 3 dimensions: inner regulations, embodiments, and expansion. We have seen 2 disciplines. In the next episode, we will see the third discipline. If you agree with this, if this resonates with you, write us in comment. And yes, do remember to subscribe our channel for the valuable insights like this.